Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you make your intros for your YouTube videos or anything. So how can you make it free on internet without any software. So first of all, open your internet browser. Let me open my one. Now you have to open a website name called Panzoid, or you can directly search it on a Google panzoid.com and you will get it, or open panzoid.com. okay, here when the site open you will see a lot of intros are there. Here you can search. Here you can see a lot of templates, and you can click there, you can find more background video editor. Okay, let me show you a demo. So let me select one. Here I select Venom. You can click on a more creation, you will find more and more. Okay, wait a little bit. Okay, let me click Venom. Okay, now wait a little bit. Here you can see open in a clickmaker. You can open in a clickmaker, just click on it and wait a little bit. Just wait a little bit loading, because I'll work on internet. If your internet connection is good, then it will work good. Okay, or you can simply select any file from here. It's all upon you. You need to come on this box icon, just click on objects, click here. Now here you can see text where it is written Venom. Now you have to rename it whatever you want to write. Okay, let me rename it with MAB. Oh wait, sorry, I pressed the wrong keys. MAB. Sorry, my PC is lagging, just wait a little bit. Okay, here let me type it again. Sorry, I type an emoji. B. Here you can see I type MAB. Here you can see the first name, and yes, that's it. Now you can click on a download object. If you want to download, just click on a start rendering. Let me show how is it. Here you can see this. How is it working? How amazing is it? If you want to change unbeatable, just you go there, object box, and rename it. Okay, here object box. Here you can see the text too is unbeatable. If what I wanted to write, just I have to rename it what I wanted to write. When you have completed the whole process, if you want to change anything, background settings, movements, camera angles, you can easily change it. But I suggest you don't change anything, just rename it with your names. Okay, now you can see here a download version. Just you have to wait a little bit, just click on a start render. Okay, you have to wait until it's rendering. When the whole rendering completed, then there will be a button or option shown here that name download. You have to just click on a download and your download will be started. Let me cancel it. I hope you understand how can you do that. If you wanted to make others, if you're not interested in this kind of, you can also select other intros. You have to just select on it, then you can easily. Okay, here down I click on more creation. Here you can see top trending creations. You just click on it and then you have to rename it. It's all free and there's no watermark appears there. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go and click on a smash that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on a bell icon, because whenever I upload my next video you will get it easily. So also in comment box share your feedbacks. Also see you in another video.